Today we have a video from Badge and Brotherhood, and the title of the video is "One Mistake Leads to Arrest for Outstanding Citizen."
What's up, bro? Good. Cut the car off. Is there any weapons inside the car or anything I should be concerned with? No? Alright.
Remember me?
When was the last time I stopped you? You look familiar, but I stop a lot of people, bro. What's that?
When I was in the you remember you like the Genesis.
Which color?
White.
White Jenny?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I can't remember, bro.
I ain't gonna drugs in the car. I just got weed, that's it.
That's all you got, just a little bit of weed? Alright. You already know how I roll. I've stopped you before.
Search the car.
Alright. No weapons, not like that?
No weapons.
I am worried.
I just got weed, that's it.
I appreciate your honesty. So just do me a favor, step out. Just turn around, face away from me. If you want, you can put that black in your mouth. Or I thought it was a black. You can't put that in your mouth. My bad. I'm just gonna put you in cuffs. Not under arrest. You're just detained. All right?
Yeah.
I appreciate you being cool, with me, though. Yeah, fucked up. I'm just gonna put that right there, alright? Alright, do me a favor, just go sit over there. Whose car is it? Yours? Okay. I got a bunch of small nick bags.
Searching with no gloves? Okay. Just give it a once over.
That's your brother?
That's my cousin right there. I'm trying to see everything.
Do you fix your license?
DOW. I never had one.
You never had one?
I'm finna go, so I'll just drive.
My guy got him a snow bunny with him, huh? Okay. All right. Now, the whole thing, oh, I just got a little bit of weed. No, they all say that, right? Cops say, oh, I'm not really worried about that if you got a little bit of weed. But it don't matter. You're cooked. You are cooked. All them bags and all of that, like a bunch of pouches and everything. You got a medical marijuana card? No. Yeah, all right. And then you was caught smoking one. You was smoking a joint. When the cop was gonna let you put it back, put it back in your mouth, he thought it was a cigarette or a Black and Mild. He like, wait, hold on. Oh, that's not even, you cooked, man.
There you go. Now get to the girl, bro.
Is that Broward?
Sir, let me talk to you, sir. Can I please talk to you? I'll have him come over. Relax. Come on. I'll have him come over. Just relax.
Hey, bro, just relax for us, all right?
No, give me the judge. I ain't even got I was just trying to come a girl, but she wasn't feeling good. That's why I was driving, bro. I've been cooperating.
Gotcha, bro.
I did everything y'all told me to do. Y'all could have let me slide. But
Gotcha,
it wouldn't
bro.
come on,
Hey,
bro. I never
hey.
had a license my first time getting pulled.
I know, dude. Listen.
Come on, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. I've been cooperating.
Listen, bro.
I ain't do shit wrong.
Hey, look at me, bro.
Come on, man. I gonna do me like this tonight. Look. Reason why I'm driving.
Bro, listen,
my
if
girl's
that was
so
your first
sick.
time, I would have let you go.
She don't feel good.
All right, put your face inside, brother. Please, man. I explained everything to you, man. I'm trying to be cool with you, okay?
So I'm going to jail tonight?
Yes, bro.
Really?
Yes. Put your feet inside.
Hey, Rashad, all right, let me explain to you real quick. I just looked at your record, okay?
Listen, I never had a driving license.
It has a picture of your face, brother.
That's not me.
Okay.
Listen, can y'all please write my name again? That's not me. I never had a.
All right.
Y'all look me up. I'm telling y'all, I can't breathe.
Oh, sorry, dude.
I can't. Listen.
Hang on.
I can't breathe. It's always something. I can't breathe. Oh my God. Oh man. Yeah, it's funny. He messed up. It is what it is. You got caught out there. Don't cry now. It is what it is, man. You'll be out. You'll be there for like a day or a couple of hours, whatever. She gonna bond you out, man. Bail you out, man. Don't worry about it. She got you. Anyways, yeah, whatever. Cops did their job. It is what it is. You just got caught out there, so cops get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.